It's time for calendar and weather. Do you remember the month we're in? It starts with an S sound. S. Do you remember? Let's go ahead and look at our resource and see. It is September. Did you remember that? Pat yourself on the back if you remember that. Let's go ahead and figure out what day we're on. What day comes after the number 13? Do you know what number? We've got to figure that out so we can do the date for today. Let's go ahead and use our hundreds chart as a resource and start on the 13. And the number after is 14. Did you know that? Let's go ahead and get that number and add it to the calendar. It's September 14th, 2021. And do you know what today is? Well, what day of the week are we on? Let's look at our days of the week resource. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Do you remember? Maybe you remember from the message earlier. It's a terrific what? Tuesday, Tuesday. Let's get that word. Oh, baby cow, I'm going to go ahead and scoot you up here. And today is Tuesday. And do you know what yesterday was? Well, what day is before Tuesday? Let's look at our days of the week resource. Here's Tuesday. The day before is Monday. Monday. Let's get that word. Yesterday was Monday. And what will tomorrow be? Do you know? Well, what day comes after Tuesday? Let's see. Wednesday. Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. And do you remember the season we're in? Okay, I know later this month it does switch to fall, but we're still officially in summer until September 22nd. So I'm adding summer to the season part. Now, later in September, on September 22nd, we will officially switch to fall. Look at a calendar and you can see September 22nd is the official switch time. All right, what type of weather is happening today? Do you know? Well, describe it. The weather is sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy, or windy. What do you think? It is a little bit sunny, and I see some gray skies too. I think it's a little sunny and cloudy. When it's both, we're going to call it partly cloudy. And I know this is what partly cloudy looks like. See the sun and the clouds? Partly cloudy. Let's add that to the calendar. It's going to be high 89 degrees Fahrenheit and low 69 degrees Fahrenheit today. Let's figure out what number of days we've been in school. Let's go ahead and get this number from yesterday. Yesterday, we were in school for 14 days. What number comes after 14? Well, think about it. If you're counting 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, well, what's next? Do you know, mathematicians? Let's go ahead and look at our hundreds chart as a resource and start on the 14. And the number after is 15. Did you know that? Let's go ahead and make that number. And we're going to say it before we put it on our place value chart. Ready? Say this number. 15. We have 1 10, 5 ones. Let's add 1 counting rod to the ones pocket and count by starting with our 110. How many tens? 110. Get the 110 in your brain. Keep it there. Say 110. Say it again, kindergartners. 110. Keep the 110 in your brain. And let's get the 5 ones to put with the 110. Did you keep the 110 in your brain? Okay, here are the 5 ones. Are you ready to put it with the 110? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's put the 5 ones back in the ones pocket. And we're going to go ahead and do our tally mark. Oh, I'm so excited. This is the moment we get to cross another group of 5. Remember, when we're doing our tally marks and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, then cross for 5. How many days have we been in school? Oh, we get to skip count by 5 3 times. Do it with me. 5, 10, 15. Nice job. Let's go ahead and write today's date down. You need something to write on and something to write with. For using your dry erase marker, take the cap off and put it on the bottom so you don't lose your cap. Let's start with our capital S for September. We're going to be writing September 14th, 2021. Go ahead and write that down on your board or on your paper and practice reading it. Ready? September 14th, 2021.